How to fix Discord not working. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick tutorial, we're going to guide you how you can fix Discord not launching or not working properly in Windows PC. So the first of the things that you can try to do is launch Discord in administrator mode or using with privileges. So to do that, simply head on to the taskbar and simply search for Discord. Now, whenever your result shows up, click onto this Run as Administrator button, and once you will click onto this, you will see a pop-up. Click onto the Yes option, and hopefully your Discord will run normally. If that does not work, the next thing that you can try to do is head onto the settings, and within the settings, click onto Apps. Then click onto Installed Apps, and within the installed apps, simply search for Discord if you cannot find it. So once I will search Discord, you can see this is the Discord here. And from here, you can try to uninstall this and try to reinstall this application. And hopefully this will particularly resolve your issue. And even if that does not resolve your issue, you can try verifying that all of the files are present within the Discord application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.